Hi guys, welcome. So here is your just brief introduction to your test today. You should all be taking an exam. Here's how you're going to find it. You go to Earth and Environmental Science. You'll go to your modules. We had fun exploring the turtles yesterday. I hope you were all there to enjoy it and zoom in with us. Here is your exam. You'll click it and then you'll click Start. So just a reminder, you may use your notebook that you have taken notes in. That is absolutely fine. Also another reminder, Canvas tracks a log of the websites you visit while the quiz is open. If you have an electronic notebook, it'll show me. It'll also show me if you're getting on Google to Google the questions. Be sure you're not doing this. Only use your notebook as a reference because, as I've said before and time again, this test is very specific to the way Ms. Backover teaches her class. Google will not help you. All right, good luck. It's 50 points long. It's not 50 questions long though. I think it is only like 45 questions or maybe even less, 42. There's quite a few short answers at the end after you get through the multiple choice. There are lots of most likelies, least likelies, and stuff like that. So be careful. Make sure you read the question really carefully. And there are also some graphs and charts for you to analyze, so put your analytical hat on. Take your time with this. It's not timed, so you don't have to worry about that. Take your time, read things carefully, flag questions you don't know, come back to them, use your notebook. It'll help you. All right, have a good day, guys, and good luck on your exam.